process. So for you, as you're looking at this semester and you're saying, man, my hours are cut. I might not have enough money to pay for school, but I believe that this is the path that I need to be in right now. Take that and actualize it and start thinking creatively. When your energy gets low, when you want to focus on the negative impact, get in your books, create a system, build a network of people that you trust that can come alongside you, friends, family members that you trust in, teachers, counselors, whoever it is that you have. But it's going to start from you taking that effort and that action first in order to activate the perseverance and the effort that lives within you so you can move forward. And every milestones that you make, so for my mother, the milestone that we had was the fact that we were still alive, that we had food to eat that day. So for you, that milestone might be logging in on Canvas or whatever learning management system you guys use. If it's Canvas or Blackboard, logging in, participating in discussion board, participating in groups, participating in different social clubs within the schools, submitting your work, attending the test, submitting your projects. Every single one of those actions are part of your milestones. You notice that I'm not talking about results. For a lot of us, in order for us to persevere, we want to see instant result. But sometimes when we're in the process phase, we're not going to be able to see the result. Just like my mother, when she was working with those nonprofits that were saying, hey, we have a plan, we're working on something. At any time, the government could have came and just killed us at that moment. But she believed that every milestone that she was making, the fact that those organizations believed in our story and they said they were gonna help us and they started to try different things. So for you, what is it gonna be the process that you're gonna put in place in order for you to have your own milestone? And those milestones are gonna keep you afloat this semester. That's how you create from a ground level the energy and strength with realistic action item that's gonna help you to move forward. Because perseverance comes within you. It's the energy that lives within you. That's what's gonna help you move forward. So I wanna encourage you. What is it for you? Take this time and really reflect real quick. What's gonna keep you afloat during this semester when things get tough, when things get challenging? Who do you know that you wanna reach out to that's gonna be your accountability partners, that's gonna be your supporters? People that you can call that will just listen to you and encourage you and pump you up so you can continue in the journey.